You go red. You go red when more blood than usual goes to your skin. More blood is allowed to get to the skin by widening the blood vessels called capillaries. Bit of editing. Capillaries is how to say capillaries. Some people think the capillaries move closer to the skin by pushing their way past muscle cells. This is silly. The capillaries close to the skin dilate, allowing more blood to flow. Dilate. Your body is 37 degrees C and the air is 20 degrees C. If you heat up by doing lots of exercise, your capillaries close to the skin dilate. This lets your heat out. The air then convects up and away unless you are wearing warm clothes. Convect. And that S. The heat also leaves your skin by radiation. Radiation. You give off infrared heat radiation. Infrared. Sweat glands help you cool down. Hot water molecules move faster than cold water molecules. Molecules. The hot water molecules evaporate into the air, leaving the cold ones behind. Evaporate. The cold water molecules cool you down. The salt in your sweat makes the evaporation more efficient. Efficient. If you get too hot, you die of hypothermia. Hyperthermia. Hyperthermia is called heat stroke. Your capillaries, your skin's capillaries and sweat glands are controlled by the gland in your head, your hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus controls your skin capillaries. And shivering to keep you as close to 37 degrees C as it can. If your hypothalamus senses that you are getting too cold, sweating stops, muscle quivering starts, and the capillaries of the skin constrict. You go pale blue. Well, especially your lips do. Without blood in your capillaries, your skin is pale blue. Shivering is the muscles contracting. When the muscles contract in exercise or shivering, they use sugar and oxygen in the reaction called respiration. Respiration. Respiration makes water, carbon dioxide, and, crucially, heat. If you are too cold, you could die of hypothermia. Hypothermia. Hypo means not enough. Hyper means too much. High happens if you are wearing wet clothes in the wind. Hypothermia. Therm, of course, means heat. Hypothermia mostly kills babies and old people. If you are getting hypothermia, get dry, put on lots of layers of clothes, and cuddle someone warm. Yeah, don't drink alcohol. Some people think that's a good idea. No. Don't heat up too quickly, because also that's really bad. When you are above 37 degrees C, your capillary blood vessels widen to let more blood close to the 20 degrees C room, so that the infrared radiation will cool you down. You also sweat. The fastest moving H2O molecules, water, escape the salt water into the air by evaporation. The slow, cooler water molecules left behind cool you down. The hypothalamus gland controls the vasodilation and constriction. Vasco. Hypo means not enough. Hyper means too much. Hypothermia, not enough hot. Hyperthermia, too hot. Go! Press my picture, get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!